to the adventure of Lily and Dana.
Hi, Lily.
Welcome to the adventures of Lily and Daddy. This adventure is called I Am the Scientist.
Nice. All right, so we're going to do some science experiments. Lily's got her safety goggles on. She's going to keep them on the whole time. Daddy's wearing glasses, so that helps protect him. So the first experiment we're going to do is called water blowing balloon. So we've got a test tube that's got about 45 milliliters of water and 2 milliliters of citric acid. I'm going to give that to Daddy. Daddy, you can go ahead and undo the lid. And then you guys can hold the test tube.
And then we're going to
Let me see. I think we have this.
What?
So that you guys can put it in there and not have to hold it the whole time.
This is a test tube holder.
Yes.
This is a test tube.
And then we have this balloon that has 2 milliliters of baking soda. So Daddy's probably going to have to help. He's going to take the balloon off the funnel and put the balloon over the test tube. And then we're going to see what happens. Lily, what do you think is going to happen?
I guess the water is going. I think the water is getting in the balloon.
You think the water's going to go in the balloon?
Yeah, because it's got air. It's water air balloon.
Okay. Daddy, what do you think is going to happen?
I think the balloon will fill up with water.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah. All right. Now the fun thing is we've never done any of these, so I know what's supposed to happen according to the book. But let's find out if anything actually happens.
Okay, you ready?
What?
Let's see, is anything happening?
Oh.
You leave it in the test tube holder. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there we go. What?
Oh, crazy.
What's happening, Lily? Where are your goggles? You took off your safety goggles.
See,
You gotta keep them on the whole time. What's happening, Lily?
the balloon is getting filled up.
Do you think it's getting filled up with water or air?
Water and baking soda.
So the baking soda is an alkaline substance, and the acidic citric acid will occur acid-base chemical reaction to produce a large amount of carbon dioxide gas. And carbon dioxide gathered more and more to blow up the balloon.
Mom, you look at
So it's filled with carbon dioxide gas. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I want to fill it too.
See, there's no water in it, right?
Yeah, it's no water, it's just air.
No,
Isn't that funny? Nobody
Carbon
blew it up.
dioxide.
Yeah.
nobody blew it up. Nobody blew it
All
up.
right. Now let's get ready for our second experiment.
It's a drop. I'm
Okay.
going to use one of these.
No, just pour it out of the thing.
Wait. There's
Really
a little
slow.
spout part.
So
that's the
Lily
part you
drew
pour
some
with.
cute little designs on this plate with a dry erase marker, and now she's just going to add the water, and then we're going to see if anything happens.
Keep pouring.
Keep pouring. All right, let's wait and see what happens. I see one little green is floating around.
You made it 3D.
Mm-hmm.
Can touch it.
No, not yet.
Are any of the other ones coming? Let's see what happens if we
Can I do it?
move, wiggle that around and see if any of the other ones come up. Be gentle, don't rub off the green. Just move the water around.
It's coming off.
Yes, but don't rub the green, move the water around. Let's see. The other ones don't seem to be coming off.
Yeah, let Daddy try.
Okay, Daddy.
Yeah. Add more water.
Can I try to add them? Whoa!
So we've got a few of them floating around.
That can touch
Yeah, I
it yet.
think some of the...
Can I touch it yet?
You can touch it.
Yay.
I think some of the lines may have a harder time coming up, but see how they're peeling off? What makes this possible is the interesting chemistry of dry erase markers. These markers are usually used to write on whiteboards or glass surfaces and can be easily erased. Well, that's kind of neat, huh?
I want to try to
We don't
get
usually draw on our plates. The dry erase markers,
I
you
got
can, and
it.
then the water just comes off.
Mm.
Pretty cool. All right, let's do experiment number 3. Okay, so in this next one, we've taken some rainbow candy and put it around in a circle, and now Lily is going to pour water in the center of the plate.
The middle.
Yep, put it in the middle. And then let's see if that is enough water.
Yep, that's enough.
Okay, and then let's wait and see if anything happens.
This is taking for a long time.
Yeah, sometimes science experiments take a while. Some of the experiments in our book take hours. You have to do something and then come back for like 24 hours later.
Look.
I see a little bit of the green.
Yeah, I made a little of the blue and red.
blue.
And red.
That's pretty cool.
And in red a little bit.
I see it starting to move. It's like a rainbow.
Can I eat it later?
Yeah, baby, you can't eat science experiments.
Maybe we can have some other candy. Lily, where are your goggles?
In my head.
Okay.
What?
Well,
Orange.
Yeah.
Orange.
do you think it will get all the way to the center if we're patient?
Yes. I gotta take them off for a bit.
Okay. I think this one is safe. Our next experiment, you definitely have to wear your goggles. This is pretty cool. Look at the
Why?
rainbow forming.
Wow, the rainbow, beautiful.
It is really pretty.
Yeah, we never even did this. And I did this on Nana and Papa's one day.
Did you do this at Nana and Papa's?
Yes, I know it.
Ah, cool.
And I ate one of the ones. I hated one of these. I hated one of these. And I used it.
Technically, it's just had water on it. I mean, watered down candy doesn't sound appetizing to me, but there's nothing dangerous about it.
To me, because it's candy and I love candy. Yeah.
Hi, Max. Do you want to be on video?
I got these outside.
Let's see. Go back to our plate and see how it's coming. It's looking really pretty.
Can I mix it a little bit?
No, then you'll lose all the colors.
Yeah, they'll all run together and it won't be as pretty. But we can see what happens. Let's let it go for a little bit longer. And then you can use the mixer and mix it up, because that's what science is about, is trying things and saying, what happens if I do this?
Oh,
And asking
what happens
questions.
if I draw the water?
All right, well, if you want to, you can take that mixer and see what happens if you mix it around. So
Whoa.
if we mix it around, all the colors blend together, and then it just kind of
It's
becomes
white.
like a sort of like a dirty green kind of color. So now we know that you lose the pretty colors if you mix it around.
I'm hungry while I'm doing this one.
All
I
right.
guess I just want to eat
Well,
one.
now we can stop this one and we'll get ready for our last experiment of this video, which is going to be a volcano.
Okay.
So for this volcano,
We
we
need
have a beaker of water,
Oh, water.
and we need to put 5 drops of the food coloring.
Okay.
So Daddy, will you help Lily get the lid? Don't pour anything yet, Lily. You have to follow the directions. So we're going to do 5 drops.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Lily, can you do 5 drops? Remember, squeeze it gentle. Nope, into the water. Into the water, not the volcano. Ooh, that's okay, that's enough.
Oopsies.
Remember, we do it really gentle so we could do
Sorry,
drops.
Mommy.
That's
I think
okay.
that was just 5 ones at a
That might be more than 5, but it's okay. All right, take your mixer stick and mix the water
Mix up the water.
and mix it really well.
It's
After
hot.
you're done, maybe Daddy can do it if it doesn't look mixed all the way.
Good?
I think that's good.
Okay. All right, Daddy. You're going to take, and these spoons they gave us don't match up because they keep saying a 1 milliliter spoon. And this is, you can't see it on the video, it's a 1.25, but hopefully that doesn't explode the house. So get a spoonful each of citric acid and baking soda and put them in the volcano model. So we'll let Daddy put it on the spoon and then you can put it into the volcano.
Okay, I'm so excited. Can I even touch the foam?
No.
Why? Can I mix up the foam?
You can pour it into the volcano for now, okay? Let's go step by step.
Okay.
Not in the volcano.
In the volcano.
Okay. And then wait. Daddy's gonna get the other. That was the baking soda.
Okay.
Now he's gonna get the citric acid.
What is that? What is citric acid?
It's acidic.
Oh, acidic. It's acidic.
Well, the citric acid is acidic and the baking soda is alkaline.
Alkaline. Okay.
And so when the two react, it's gonna make large amounts of gas and bubbles, which is going to give us our volcano.
The explosion. Even I can
Or the
mix
eruption.
It up. And then I can touch.
Okay, we're not gonna mix it up and touch it. We're just gonna watch it. You wouldn't touch lava, would you?
Oops. It's okay. But it's not real lava. I
Lily?
can mix it.
We're gonna keep our goggles on and we're not gonna touch things, okay? We're gonna follow the instructions because when you're doing science, it's very important to follow the instructions so you don't get hurt.
Okay.
Right, Lily?
No, let Daddy. Just gotta make sure there's enough.
Okay.
There is enough.
I know, he's just fixing where you spilled some. He wanted to make sure that there's enough. All right, next you're gonna use the dropper. You're not gonna pour it. Daddy's gonna use the dropper to get some of the red liquid into the dropper, and then Lily is going to slowly add drops to the volcano. Don't squirt all of it. You're just gonna squirt it really soft, slowly.
Dropper. You squeeze the top, and you dip it in, and then you let go slowly. And then
Daddy's head's been cut off this whole time to watch Lily, but all right. Remember, squeeze it gentle. There you go. A little bit at a time.
what's it doing?
There we go. You're making the reaction.
Is that good?
I don't know.
It's
You're
good.
gonna need to do it a little bit so that it tries to erupt. Should we wait a few seconds and see if it's gonna build up? I don't know.
It's
You're
good.
gonna need to do it a little bit so that it tries to erupt. Should we wait a few seconds and see if it's gonna build up?
Okay, now I'm gonna see. Let's see what happens. Look at the rainbow color.
Oh yeah, the colors are coming back in the rainbow.
Let's go and see that.
Maybe.
I'm gonna do it.
Let's see if we can get it to come to the top. If it does it, we might have to add a little bit more of our baking soda and citric acid. What fun is a volcano if it just stays in the middle? We want to see it overflow.
Overflow.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
It's all. And I'm gonna get more.
All right, wait, Daddy's gonna add a little bit more of our components. So put the dropper back in the water.
Okay, this water.
Yeah, just leave it in there. Daddy's gonna add a little bit more of both of our citric acid and our baking soda and see if we can't get an eruption. Maybe we're about to.
Eruption!
Oh,
Can you add about a little bit more of this?
Let Daddy add a little bit more of the citric acid first.
Okay. Citric acid. How can I?
All right, there you go. Good job with the dropper.
This is going to be a really dangerous experiment. Okay. A little more.
Or maybe underwhelming.
A little more. Put
The book says you don't need too much water.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
No, I know. I'm laughing because it seems like we needed a little bit more. Come on. There it goes. It's erupting. Lava.
We need explosion.
I don't know how much of that you can see on the video, but we got little bubbles coming out. Pretty cool.
I want to do something with it.
Like what?
Look at it. Like, mix it up a little bit.
Okay.
And add another food coloring.
No, I don't need to waste the food coloring.
I gotta do a little more.
And a little more what?
Yes.
A little more of the water? Okay. But don't.
Good job.
Yeah, good job with the stopper. Yeah, I think it's all mixed up now, so the bubbles are gone. All right, let's get one more look at our rainbow. The colors are starting to kind of come back, so that looks kind of neat. Our balloon is still blown up from our carbon dioxide.
I want to go touch it.
Let's see. So a volcanic eruption is when the Earth's interior is filled with hot magma and expanding bubbles. Under extreme pressure, the magma breaks through the crust from a weak point and gushes out, causing a volcanic eruption. The baking soda in the experiment is alkaline and the citric acid is acidic, and the two react to produce large amounts of gas and bubbles.
I want to make
Small amounts of gas and bubbles, giving off heat and producing the eruption. All right, Lily, what was your favorite experiment of the ones we did?
My favorite experiment was the balloon one.
Yeah, the balloon was pretty cool. Look, we've got some more floating green. I don't know if you can see that the little green things are floating. We've got our balloon. All right, tell everybody bye, Lily. We're going to sign off for tonight.
I want to make a balloon.
All right. Bye, everyone. Bye, Daddy. Thanks for your help.
Everybody.
Bye, Max.
Bye.